Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo. In today's video we're going to be learning how to play the song Goodbye Yesterday by Elevation. This song is original key is in A flat. You can put your capo on 2nd fret and we'll be playing G shapes. Okay, if you're a girl you probably could maybe move it up a full step and try that out. But for this tutorial we're going to be going in the key of A flat. Okay. Goodbye yesterday, the Spirit of the Lord is upon me. I've got resurrection in my veins. Praise the Lord, I've been born again. So that is the verse 1. It's very simple. Verse 1, we're only playing 2 chords, G and C. Right, that's your G, and that's your C chord. We're just going back and forth, G and C, G and C. Strumming pattern. So whenever you start, you're going to start with two down strums. And then you're going to go with the up, down, up strumming pattern. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, switch down, up, 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 down. Again and again and again and again, you rescued me out of the mess I was in. Traded my sorrow for something to sing. Now I'm dancing on the grave that I once lived in. So that is the chorus. The strumming is a little bit different, right? So let's go over the chords. The chords is going to be C, and then it's going to go to your D chord, and then you're going to go to your E minor. Okay, and you're going to repeat those: C, D, and E minor. Okay. You're going to repeat that 3 times, C, D, E minor, 3 times. And on the last one, I'm dancing on the grave that I once lived in, right? So when you get to that point, traded my sorrow for something to sing. Now I'm dancing on the grave that I once lived in. So you're going to go on dancing, you're going to go with your A minor. Dancing on the grave that I, to your D chord, once lived in. And then you would go back to the verse after that. So the strumming pattern for this, for the chorus, is going to be so it starts with the up strum, right? So again and again and again and again, you rescued me out of the mess I was in. So notice that from C to D you switch pretty fast, but on the E minor chord you actually stay on there for 2 measures. So up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. See, on that E minor we stay there a little bit longer. Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. So again and again and again and again. See how you stay there? I'll repeat it. You rescued me out of the mess I was in. Traded my sorrow for something to sing. Now I'm dancing on the... Now I'm dancing on... So after you play the chorus, you're going to be going back into the verse. And then you're going to go back to chorus. And then you're going to go into... Eventually you're going to go into bridge, right? So... I have decided to follow Jesus. The world behind, the cross before, and I won't turn back. So for the bridge, you're going to be playing G and then A minor. Okay, it's pretty fast switch between those two. So you're just going to be doing down strumming. So it'll be I decided, right? And then to follow Jesus, the world behind. And then the same strumming pattern we did for the chorus will be the same here, except you're going to be playing E minor, D, and then C. Okay? With the same strumming pattern. So up, up, down, up, down, up. That'll be the strumming pattern, right? I have decided to follow Jesus, the world behind, the cross before, and I won't turn back. I have decided. And then after you play it like a few times, you start to build, you can start adding more strumming into that. So it's not just two down strums, it will actually be right. After you do the bridge, you will go back to the chorus, I believe. After you play that, you're gonna go into this tag. So for the tag, it's gonna be G, C, G, and then it's gonna be the E minor, D, C with the same strumming pattern that we did before. The world behind, the cross before, and I won't turn back. I won't turn back. See, and I won't turn back. The world behind, the cross before, and I won't turn. And then they go back to again and again and again and again. You rescued me out of the mess I was in. Trading my sorrow for something to sing. Now I'm dancing on the grave that I once lived in. And then they repeat back to the chorus, right? Okay, so now we're gonna go over the outro, going in from the last chorus into the outro, right? So you'll be playing the chorus, which is again and again and again and again. You rescued me out of the mess I was in. Traded my sorrow for something to sing. Now I'm dancing on the grave that I once lived in. Yeah. Praise the Lord, I've been born again. Praise the Lord, I've been born again. I'm dancing on the grave that I once lived in. And then right here, once you're done with that last chorus, you're gonna be staying on the G, right? Dancing on the grave that I once lived in. I'm dancing on the grave that I once lived in. And then they're gonna switch the melody, right? Once they switch the melody, then you're gonna start switching your chords. Now I'm dancing on the grave that I once lived in. Dancing on the grave that I once lived in. Once they switch it, dancing on the grave that I once lived in. Dancing on the grave that I once lived in. Dancing on the grave. So for that part, you're gonna be playing your G chord. Then you're gonna go to your A minor, right? Then you're gonna go back to your G, and then you're gonna go to your C chord. But before that part starts, you want to stay on the G, right? And the strumming pattern for that part is just going to be down, up, up, 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 down, up. And then once it starts building, I'll dance, great that I love. That I once lived in, dancing on the grave. Now I'm dancing on the grave that I once lived in, dancing on the grave that I once lived in, dancing on the grave that I once lived in. And then at the very end, once you're done with that, oh praise the Lord, I've been born again. And then you finish right there, right? So yeah, this song is a little bit on the complicated side, but it's not that bad. I think as long as you listen to the song and make sure that you get all the transitions right and get all the strumming patterns right, I hope this video helped you. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment and subscribe. I appreciate you sticking to the end. I'll see you guys in the next one.